Hey, foodies! Welcome back to Healthline Champions, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of Mediterranean diet recipes. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with fresh ingredients and vibrant flavors. Did you know that the Mediterranean diet is not just about food, but a lifestyle rooted in tradition and health? It emphasizes eating whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. And let's not forget the heart-healthy fats like olive oil and nuts. One key element of the Mediterranean diet is plenty of fresh produce. So load up on colorful vegetables and fruits for a nutritious meal. Make sure to include plenty of leafy greens like spinach and kale for that extra boost of vitamins and minerals. Seafood is a staple in the Mediterranean diet, so don't be afraid to get creative with your fish dishes. Think grilled salmon with a lemon and herb marinade or a classic seafood paella packed with flavor. Some text goes here. Legumes are another essential component of this diet, so whip up a satisfying chickpea salad or a hearty lentil stew for a filling meal. And of course, who can forget about the creamy hummus and falafel? Some text goes here. When it comes to grains, opt for whole grains like quinoa, bulgur, and farro to add fiber and nutrients to your diet. Experiment with grain bowls or stuffed peppers for a fun and flavorful twist. Don't skimp on the herbs and spices. Mediterranean cuisine is known for its bold flavors from herbs like oregano, basil, and mint. Add a sprinkle of sumac or za'atar for that extra punch of taste. For a sweet ending, indulge in fresh fruits drizzled with honey or a decadent olive oil cake for a treat. Remember, balance is key, so enjoy these desserts in moderation. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of Mediterranean diet recipes that will have you feeling good inside and out. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more healthy tips and tricks from Healthline Champions.